Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make $215 per day profit on YouTube re-uploading videos. You don't need to record any videos, you don't need to make videos, so if that is something that you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, if you want to see in future videos on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's not waste any time, let's jump straight into this video guys. So first of all, what type of niche we're going to jump in, because this is a very profitable niche. So I want to show you guys in today's video how you can do it. So this niche is called dashcam videos. So if you don't know what is a dashcam, that is basically a small camera that you put on your car and it records while you drive. So why is this really important and how we're going to make some money on YouTube with this method? Make sure to watch this video till end because it is going to be very different from what you think. So first of all, if you go on YouTube and search dashcam, you're going to see tons of different videos that are not professional. You can see basically this is a camera that was put on a car, and basically it is recording all the time. So you can see there are tons of different videos, and people that upload on this YouTube channel didn't record these videos. So what are they doing is they're taking someone else's video, put it in a compilation and upload it on their YouTube channel. The best thing about this is because you can see this video right here that you're watching right now, you can see it is a monetized video. So you can see they're also making money on AdSense, which is very weird because usually you're going to get demonetized for this type of video and we don't care about YouTube AdSense money. But you can see some of the videos on this YouTube channel are monetized. They're making money from YouTube AdSense. So what are we going to do? How are we going to make some money with this type of videos? It is going to be something very different. And you can see also that this channel is doing something very similar. So I want to show you guys how they're making some money. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to find these dashcam videos, then put it in a compilation. So how you can go and download, for example, from YouTube a dashcam video. You can search for dashcam, you can go and click on filter and click on Creative Commons, and you can use this video. So for example, this video has 1 million views, so it is probably a good video. So what you want to do is you want to click on this video and you want to download it. So how you can go and download this video, just copy URL from the top right here and go on YouTube downloader. So if you can't find any YouTube downloader, you can use this one. You can see the name of this one. So what you want to do is you want to put your link right here and click on download. So what you want to do right now, you want to cut some parts from this video. You want to create a compilation with, for example, 20 different dashcam videos and make sure that the video is over 8 minutes long. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can also monetize these videos with AdSense. But I want to show you guys how you can go and make some money with this type of channel with 0 subscribers. You don't need any subscribers. You can start from today to make some money on YouTube. So the best example is this YouTube channel. So why is this best an example? Because they're doing exactly what we want to do. So what are they doing is they're taking dashcam videos from people that are recording in their cars on their dashcam, and they're creating compilation of 20 or 30 videos or so. You can see we have watched this video, we have saw that this video is monetized. So what are they doing, as I said, is you can see this is one example, and we want to go on the end of the video and see how many different videos they have. I want to find in which minute it says what is that. You can see this is 21st video. So they have 21 different dashcam videos that 21 different people have recorded, and they have created a compilation from those videos. So next thing is we want to see how much money you can expect to make on YouTube AdSense with this type of videos. So you can see in last 30 days this channel has over 19 million views. So if you go and multiply that by $3 for every 1,000 views, you can see that this channel is probably making over or around $60,000 from YouTube AdSense. So that is how much money they're making from these type of videos. So we want to talk about the different method because we don't want to monetize only with AdSense. There is a probably better idea on how you can monetize these type of videos. So if you go on Google and you search Dashcam affiliate, that means that you can go and recommend affiliate products or affiliate dashcam in your description of the video, and when someone buys through your affiliate link, you're going to earn commission. There are tons of different affiliate programs. You can, for example, find this one, and you can see how this works. When you join our affiliate program, you can go and put unique affiliate link wherever you like. Basically, you can see right here, you can promote it on YouTube channel, on Facebook or more. And what we want to do is we want to put affiliate link in the description of our dashcam video. Example is right here. For example, let's say this is affiliate link for a dashcam that you can offer people to buy, and when someone buys it, you can go and earn affiliate commission from that. So I want to show you guys even better way where you can find affiliate products related to Dashcam to promote. And you can see right here, if you go on OfferVault and you search for a Dashcam products, for example, you can see if you recommend to anyone and someone buys the product, you can earn $14 for every Dashcam that you sell. Or for example, you can earn $13 for this product right here. So let's go and see how this product looks like. So let's click on this, and if you go on full landing page preview, you can see this is a Dashcam commercial, and you can see this is a Dashcam right here. You can see right here, this is a Dashcam. So that is the product that you are trying to sell. So when you use a special affiliate link in your description and you send people to this affiliate page and someone clicks on, yes, send me this Dashcam today, and they buy the product, you're going to earn $13 for every single sale. So that is one of the easiest ways how you can monetize these type of videos, because you don't need to do anything. You only need to put affiliate link in a description, and this company is going to ship the product. They're going to send you money for every single product that you sell. So that is how you can go and monetize these type of videos. And of course, you can make some extra money with AdSense. You can see again, this is an ad for this video, so they're making also money from AdSense. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button. So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like this video and make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you soon and bye.